Hi guys, this is Ms. Richard. I'm going to share with you guys a resource that I hope you find to be helpful. One of the most common pieces of feedback that teachers are hearing is that students are finding it a little bit challenging to try to figure out how to manage time now that we're doing distance learning. So I'm going to share a tool with you. Hopefully you guys find it helpful. Um, in the description of this video, you're going to see a link that will take you to the personal distance learning spreadsheet. And it's basically a time organizer. When you click on the link, what's going to pop up is a page that looks like this, okay? And so it's going to prompt you to make a copy. What you're going to do is you're going to click Make a Copy. And then you're going to end up with your own personal kind of calendar sheet, okay? And this will give you the opportunity to kind of like block out your time. So I have in here, I put in basically 30-minute increments from 5 a.m. to 11 p.m. So that if, let's say, you needed to put in work or any kind of home obligations or anything like that, you definitely can. If, let's say, you want to take those out, all you have to do is kind of highlight the rows that you don't want, and then press right click and you can delete those rows out. Okay, so if there are more rows than you want, you can definitely customize the document to make it something that's super useful for you. Okay, so how I would recommend using this is to kind of block out the time frames that you know that you're going to be doing live sessions with your classes. That way you can kind of visualize where your pockets of free time are, and maybe that will help organize time in terms of when you're going to get your independent work done. Okay, so for example, if let's say for me, let's say I'm going to have a class from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. I can highlight those boxes, and then what I can do is maybe change the color of those boxes and type into those boxes. In my case, it might be AP Biology. And then I can put in here that it's from 10 to 11. And that's going to help me kind of keep track of when that class is going to be and from what time to what time. And then what I can do is kind of keep doing that for all of the different courses that I have. So for instance, for me, I teach AP Biology, and I also teach AP Environmental. So I might put those in my calendar. And then for me in my calendar, I also have office hours. So if, let's say, you have something that shows up multiple times during the week. So for instance, for me, I have office hours. I'll have office hours 3 times. What I can do is I can put in that time frame. I can copy it, and then I can paste that into different spots. So now I'm starting to kind of see where some of my pockets of time are when I can get maybe some other things done. So for you guys, that might be your independent work that's being assigned by some of your teachers, okay? So one of the things that's gonna be super helpful for you guys and hopefully kind of not only managing your time, but also stress and anxiety management, one of the best strategies is to kind of keep a normal schedule as best as you possibly can. So, so get up very similarly to the time that you would be if we were going to school, and kind of keep a normal schedule, okay? But hopefully if you guys can see it kind of visually like this, and you can block out times when you know your different teachers are going to be available, I hope that that really helps you, okay? On the second tab, right here at the bottom, you're gonna see that the first tab says Personal Schedule. The second tab says Sample Student Study Schedule. So here are a couple of possible schedules that maybe could work for you in helping to organize your time. So maybe you want to organize by subject, maybe you want to organize by class period, but these are here for you as a reference, just to help give you guys some guidance as to how to organize your time, okay? So I hope you find this to be helpful. And definitely if there's anything that you need assistance with, don't hesitate to reach out to your teachers. Okay, so we are here for you, and so don't hesitate to reach out for help if you need it. All right, I hope you guys find this useful, and have a good evening.